we come for a walk at the marina. I wonder who we might find.
After months and months apart, it was finally time for Rose and I to be reunited with Trent and Tynan.
Can you smell something?
Yeah.
We were excited to see how Rose would react seeing Trent for the first time in months. Prior to him leaving for Cape Town, they'd spent every day together from the time she was 10 weeks old. And without a doubt, he is her favourite person in the world.
Hey, girl, the lead too. Where have you been? Where have you been?
Oh, hello. Get down on her level.
The reunion kick-started our time in Gibraltar, where we planned to recuperate, restock, do some maintenance, and see how many non-tourist caves and World War II tunnels we could find. In case you don't know, Gibraltar is a UK territory, and as of now the Brexit negotiations are ongoing, so it's out of the Schengen zone. Known for the rock, Gibraltar has a long history, with the Moorish, Spanish and British influence all being visible today.
We have another day of incredible weather here in Gibraltar. Came up to the dog park just to give Rose a quick run.
Good girl. Good girl.
And now we are just gonna go for a wander. Our aim is to head up. And other than that, we're just gonna be wandering the streets. So we'll see how it goes. We've come a fair way up. My hair's going everywhere. My face must be bright red by now. But we're almost at the top-ish. You can see it goes on a little bit behind that place. And got a bit of a view here. But I think it's going to get better as we keep going up. She's coming up. So up the top there we have the Rock of Gibraltar. On this side we have Gibraltar. Then across the bay is Spain. Then looking over here, across the water there, is Morocco and Africa. This is as high as we're going to go today because we're now reaching the level where there are macaques, and a really friendly tour guide just warned us that the macaques are quite nasty to dogs, and we do have Rose with us, and we don't want her first experience around monkeys to be a bad one because she is going to see them a lot, especially when we get to Southeast Asia. So we're going to head back down and we're going to come back another day without her. She's not going to be happy about that. And head back and see what Tynan's doing on the boat.
So I've got to get in the water and clean the through hulls for the 3D sonar so the transducers can go up and get fitted. And we're in like a real mucky marina. I'm not keen on it.
Cape Town was much colder.
Well, Cape Town you couldn't get in the water. It was that cold.
Yeah, it's the Arctic.
I wish we had a cheap wetsuit.
How's the dog? The dog wants to get in, look at the face. Look, she wants to get in. You are not getting in. No. She wants to get in.
Yeah, she's like, fine, then I'm just gonna...
I'm gonna go to Tish.
If she's in there with you, don't get shocked.
Oh, she's leaning over the edge trying to get you. Oh.
Hull's pretty clean. like underneath and around the keel. There's not a lot of grass on it.
So what are you actually cleaning?
Oh, I'm just getting in dirty water for your viewing pleasure.
Well, it has made me laugh.
Holy sh**, that's inaccurate.
We are heading out to find a different way up the rock, and Tynan decided to stay back. This is really good news, because when somebody, I know that sounds bad, but when somebody chooses to stay behind when we go on a walk, like in all of our travels, whoever does go usually gets to see something incredible, find something really cool, goes on some crazy adventure, and the person who stayed back always regrets it. I have been the person that stayed back before. I have regretted it, so I try not to do that now. So we will see where this walk today takes us.
Is it level in a computer game? When you get wasted by a British driver, you don't dodge to the side.
Okay, this is how we get Rose to run up the stairs fast.
Predator training. She's gonna run away from you. Rosie, she's gonna leave you. Yeah, she's gonna leave you. Look at that. She's gonna run away from you. She's leaving you.
Woo! Good girl!
Good girl. Should have seen the performance down the bottom. She did a skid. I had the handle and she was just going like this. She's beautiful. I'm not happy. Yeah, she's gonna put you up for adoption. She's like,
Oh, beautiful!
oh, you understand everything, don't you?
So the way we come up here is we wind through Gibraltar, find this little spot called Bacchus Passage, and then you go up these stairs here, follow the path, and then we'll end up the top.
Don't be tempted to follow where the pot smoking children go, which is where the dog's headed, up there, to the back of that private property, and then the back of another private property. And there is no way through. We found a way through, and it was no fun. There is nothing to see. Don't do it.
So which way?
This way.
This way.
Nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you la 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 la. Keeping me up 2 cups of coffee.
Go on. That's Drift King.
You'll make me feel so la 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 lovely. I keep on running, no, I shouldn't want it. I keep on running right into you, I can't get you off my mind. So sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want, sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy, sweet. Yeah, I need it from you.
I reckon a ghost's holding that there, because I can't explain otherwise what we better. Alright, let's go.
Chasing after the way you la 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 love me. Color my life up like confetti. Baby, you make me feel so la 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 lovely. I keep on running, no, I shouldn't want it. I keep on pulling right into your body, can't get you off my mind. So sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy, sweet. Yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet.
I mean, it's not natural, it doesn't go anywhere though. Cool.
Yeah, we all get it. He's your favourite.
That's the ticket booth on the exit ramp.
Jesus outfit.
the bunker. This secret bunker in the forest. We're now up here. Oh my god, a blonde girl in the forest? That is so much better than white goods in a bunker. What? Why? Oh wow.
I would like to.
It's almost a drone shot. Wait, I'll make it a drone shot. No, I caught it. What? What happened? Oh wow. Is this what it's really like? When you're crawling out of the forest, looking at white goods filled bunkers?
I do like to be more graceful in my efforts usually.
Oh wow.
We'll have to let Tana know that there is a cable cart here. I'm coming, sweetie. I'm going there with you.
Oh my god. We found another bunker. Oh my god. Oh my god, a bunker. No. The secret bunker. Oh my god.
There's another level up there, eh? You can see up there, that's metal.
Oh my god.
You can't see that from the below there.
Maybe it's a toilet.
Oh
Do you reckon this cave's natural?
very, very natural. No dynamite, no pig.
Tish,
What?
say something.
What we have here.
I don't think that's natural. I think that's how it used to look before someone kicked it in.
Oh.
Not us.
No.
We're millennials. We don't do anything that difficult. Oh, pond. I stood in a pond back there because I was too busy being a dick.
Do you know who built this tunnel? Or this area?
Maybe it was like,
Oh no, I'm telling you, I know who it was. It was,
you don't think it was maybe a religious sect?
no, it was Simon's people.
Oh, the dwarves.
Dwarves.
Fair
Dwarves
enough.
built this, and this is Simon's ancestors.
This razor wire has been here so long and got so bored, it's disintegrated.
Just stuck in that box.
That's for humans that get bored. What's this thing? Oh, empty. I think it's like an old tour display.
Yeah, probably.
It's one of these things you sneak in and you're like, oh my god, I snuck into it.
And then you get in.
Oh my god. And it's dirty and full of rubbish. Oh, more rubbish. Dun dun dun.
What?
She needs to know about monkeys because they're everywhere in Asia. There's another one. Sorry. Ammunition store. Just an ammunition store and like lockbox and but it's all empty.